This is the beautiful nature. This is the universe. This is some of her. You see what she reduced, what she produced. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Look at the ground. Tap in, everybody. Tap in. Tap into yourself. Know who you are. Please know who you are. Stop being confused. Stop confusing your soul. Stop confusing yourself and your mind and your brain, man. Tap into yourself. Open up your chakra, your throat chakra. No, you know what I'm saying? Not even just those. So you can know, you can pay attention to what's going on. Tap into it. She's beautiful.